So, we're diving into this comprehensive guide on yacht insurance. And it's amazing how it breaks down everything for vessel owners. It starts off by noting that in 2023, yacht purchases increased notably, like by 7%, which really highlights the need for robust coverage.
Yep, absolutely. And with these high value vessels, it's obvious that understanding insurance isn't just a nice to have, but a must have detail for protection, right?
Exactly. It's like um, you're not just paying for the boat, you're paying for peace of mind. And the guide, it covers basic liability aspects such as protection and indemnity, personal injury, property damage, and even wreck removal and environmental damage protection.
That's right. It really lays out the fundamental coverage needed for any yacht, almost as if it's saying, don't leave home without it.
Right. And then it shifts to hull insurance requirements. It goes through agreed value versus actual cash value. So it's like comparing apples and, apples with a twist. It also touches on navigation limits and restrictions based on season and location.
Yeah, got it. And what's interesting is the state-specific nuances. Not every state mandates the same coverage, so factors like vessel size, operating location, and even charter operations can change the requirements.
Precisely. It's detailed there too, noting that some conditions are tied to financing agreements or marina requirements. And you really see why, according to their data, about 75% of yacht owners opt for comprehensive plans beyond the minimum.
Right, that extra coverage makes sense, especially when you factor in international navigation. For those heading offshore, there are extra permits, foreign liability issues, and local insurance compliance to consider.
Exactly. It's like if you're cruising internationally, you better be ready with extended permits, emergency assistance, and local requirements. And then there's the whole chapter on risk factors, vessel size, area of cruising, owner experience, even claims history, all influence what coverage you actually need.
But don't you think sometimes the requirements can seem a bit, overkill for a casual boater?
I get that, but think about it. It's a calculated risk. While it might seem overkill, having conditions like professional crew coverage with Jones Act compliance, crew liability, and even disability protection really cover all bases when you're handling a substantial investment.
Right, true enough. And then there are the extra bits like hurricane protection, racing coverage for high-performance vessels, even tender insurance. It's practically all-encompassing.
Yes, and don't forget the crucial documentation part. The guide emphasizes having a current vessel survey, captain's license, safety certificates. They even mention that properly documented vessels have 40% fewer claim denials.
That statistic really drives home the importance of keeping everything in order. Structured documentation can make or break a claim.
Exactly. And on top of that, there are insights on financial protection standards, like deductible options, payment terms, and even premium financing options. It's a real deep dive into best practices for compliance.
What I found interesting was the section on emergency response requirements. They lay out everything from 24/7 claims reporting to salvage arrangements and medical evacuations. It's a reassurance that in an emergency, you're not left stranded.
Totally. And looking forward, the guide even touches upon emerging trends, advanced technology, climate change impacts, cybersecurity, and even the possibility of autonomous vessels.
Yes, indeed. That future focus really shows how the industry is evolving. It reminds me that while the basics are covered, staying updated is crucial, even if sometimes it seems like too many hoops to jump through.
Right? It's like a never-ending journey of compliance and updates, but it's all about protecting those mega investments in yachts. And with experts like Marine Surety on your side, they actually help tailor coverage to your unique needs, ensuring you don't miss a critical detail.
So in essence, this guide is not just a checklist. It's a comprehensive roadmap for ensuring vessel safety and financial protection across every quadrant of yacht insurance.
Exactly. And with the industry shifting with technology and environmental factors, this guide is a solid foundation to navigate the ever-changing insurance waters.
Yes, indeed.